What's good, YouTube? This is Slick Talk and I'm back with another video. I have another video that I'm going to react to. Let's get into
it. You know that it's unlawful for you to take
jy wat die wet het gesê ek mag. Wat gaan jy doen as ek
it. Die wet het gesê jy moet maak. What are you talking about? It's not about the vet. Die vet.
Let me pose for you.
Okay. Sien jy tyd om jy verstaan jy? Dis wat ek nie verstaan nie. Jy tyd om jy tyd vir sulke grappies.
Yes, how many?
Why are you escalating the situation? You give this guy cool drink 200 and he lets you off easy. You're escalating the situation for no reason.
How should I stand? Hoe moet ek staan? Wys my hoe moet ek staan?
Jy kan staan net wat jy wil.
Hoe moet ek staan? Hoe moet ek draai? Sê my man.
You know you're in the wrong, but you want to be entitled.
Jy moet sê hoe moet ek staan? Hoe moet ek pose?
Nee, dis nie waar dit gaan nie. Dit gaan oor die wet wat nagekom
word. Ja, wet
word.
is toepassing doen op jou.
Is reg, jy mag.
Ek
wil net vir jou wys, daar's my lisensie.
No. You can't show your license on your phone. No. We need the physical thing. We need the physical thing.
En die kar wat gesleep word is daar. Ek is klaar.
The nerve to have so much attitude when your license is on your phone. No, we need the physical thing. What if it's fake? What if it's AI?
Ek is klaar dat ek teken.
And then you have attitude.
Wat is die regulasies? Verduidelik dit mooi vir my.
Owner failed to license motor vehicle GRC.
Daar is die lisensie.
Here is the information. The license does expire 2025-10/31.
Hier's die ene wat ek vir jou gewys het, wat jy nie wil aanvaar nie.
No, you want the physical thing, not the one on your phone.
The right to pay the fine before the 15th of June.
Dis reg, ek gaan
or
dit
you
nie
can
betaal.
appear in court on the
Ek gaan in die hof
20th of
wees.
June. Yet
Hoe ver is daai? Ek hoop jou tyd het, jou datums is reg.
The 15th June, and then the fine is 500 rand.
500 rand.
En wat's die alternative as ek hom vir jou gewys het?
Dan moet show me one.
I show you this one.
Where is it?
Maar jy moet nog steeds
on the vehicle.
Jy moet nog
steeds on the vehicle.
Okay, maar jy verstaan, jy moet nog steeds die alternatief vir my gee.
Sign yourself.
Vir wat teken ek?
Aantekening van beskuldigde. You accept that I did
explain
to you why did I issue a fine.
Ek het in elk geval alles hier, so dit maak nie saak nie.
Dit gaan saak, maar jy gaan dit nodig. Want ek en jy gaan nou Lengau toe.
Waar is hulle nou? Bloemfontein toe.
Yes. Let's go.
Nou, jy by dan jy verstaan nie, arresteer jy my nou?
Ek arresteer jou nie.
As jy my nie arresteer nie, gaan ek nie nou Bloemfontein toe nie. As jy my arresteer, gaan ek Bloemfontein toe.
Look at how dirty that car is. Dirty car.
Het jy my ID gevat?
And you have the nerve to be so entitled.
Dis diefstal daar.
Pulling another car when you don't have your license on you. Stupid.
Gee net my lisensie vir my asseblief.
The license disc is on your phone, but you want to be pulling another car. Are you an idiot?
Jy mag nie my lisensie vat nie, dis diefstal.
Nah, he took it, buddy.
Daar steel hy my lisensie. Daar steel hy my lisensie.
He didn't steal it. Shout out to the traffic officer for the professionalism. That's how you do your job. This entitled idiot thought he was going to get away with driving and pulling another car when he didn't have his disc in order. The worst thing you can do is escalate those situations. All you had to do was be nice, be respectful, and maybe he would have let you off. Maybe you buy a drink, but you had to escalate the situation with your fucking entitlement. You got what you deserve. You're going to pay the 500 and you're going to fetch your license wherever it is.
I can't afford to pull up on my own. I need my soldiers.